Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joe's Diet Talk. Today's topic is all about no sugar diet, and you'll also be knowing the surprising benefits of quitting sugar. Are you the one who still did not decide whether to cut sugar or not from your diet? I know quitting sugar is a big challenge for many people, but if you decide to cut sugar, then you are on a fast track of weight loss and better health. Consuming too much of this empty calorie food can affect your health in many ways. Excess intake can lead to weight gain, rise in sugar levels, unhealthy metabolism, and there are many chances of increasing your belly fat. Why should I follow no sugar diet? Here are the few reasons why you need to cut down the sugar intake. Sugar has a direct effect on weight. Sugar is addictive. The more you eat, the more you want to eat. Sugar has no nutritive value, it has more calories. Sugar can mess with your hormones. Consuming excess sugar is linked to lifestyle and modern diseases. Sugar affects your mental and emotional health. Following sugar-free diet will make you healthy and make you feel great about yourself. Amazing health benefits of cutting sugar. If you want to lose weight and maintain healthy body, you need to check out the surprising benefits of quitting sugar. Maintains healthy blood pressure. Excessive sugar intake can lead to obesity. This is a main risk factor of hypertension or high blood pressure. Research show that extra intake of dietary sugar can lead to weight gain and rise in blood pressure. Hypertension increases the workload of the heart arteries, which causes damage to the whole circulatory system. Ultimately, this can lead to heart disease like heart attack, heart stroke, artery disease, and other cardiovascular diseases. So, cutting sugar can maintain healthy blood flow. Reduces bad cholesterol. People who consume less sugar or no sugar in their diet have healthy lipid profile. Excess eaters are more likely to have low levels of good cholesterol HDL and high levels of bad cholesterol LDL. LDL cholesterol will block the heart arteries and lead to many cardiovascular diseases. The triglycerides or blood fats are seen in high amounts to people who consume more sugars in the diet. Healthy brain function. Many of us believe that sweets can eat away the teeth enamel, but many of us don't know that excess sugar can also eat away the brain power. Consuming lots of sugar can reduce proteins, impair conjunctive function, which is necessary for healthy brain functions. Reduces depression. A study revealed that adults who consume more sugar, more than 4 servings of sugar or soda per day, are likely to go in depression when compared to people who consume unsweetened tea, coffee, and other beverages. So, no sugar diet will help you to come out of the depression and make your mind fresh and smart. Reduces the risk of diabetes. Drinking more than 2 sugary beverages per day can increase the risk of becoming diabetic. Eating sugar will not lead to diabetic, but taking excess sugar will impact on the insulin levels. If you have sugar cravings, finding difficulty in quitting sugar, then you can satisfy your sweet tooth by consuming natural sweet food items such as fruits, milk, vegetables, yogurts, etc. All these foods have naturally occurring sugars which will not affect on your weight and as well as your health. Thank you for watching my channel.